Welcome to Trade Psychology. Today we will discuss the Bank Nifty weekly hedging summary which we traded for the week of 17th May expiry in Bank Nifty. In our last video, as we discussed the trading levels, the Bank Nifty, we had a major resistance at 27,000 level. The major support was at 25,500 and also at 26,000 level. Based on this, we will analyze how we profited from this hedging strategy for the week of 17th expiry. Here you can see, as we discussed for the Bank Nifty, the major resistance was at 27,000 level. So as you can see, Bank Nifty spiked till the 27,000 level, but it could not reach the level and it fell back and took the support of 26,000 level, which was the support we predicted. And also the second support was at 25,500 level. Based on this hedging, we sold 25,500 put and 27,000 call. The premium required for this hedging was close to 5 lakhs. Here is the position summary. As you can see, the Bank Nifty was, as both the contracts expired with the zero, as we sold 25,500 put at 35 and 27,000 call at 37.60. We sold 160 lots on both the sides and we collected the premium till the expiry, which is 11,616 rupees. So we made with this hedging close to 11,600, which is 2.27% of our trading margin. This was on the sell side, and here you can see on the buying side, as we predicted the bullish potential of the Bank Nifty, as we had two supports being built up and a strong OI built up near the 27,000, which predicted the rise in the Bank Nifty. Hence, for that we selected the 26,500 call. We bought the 26,500 call at the price of 187 on 14th May and we booked the profit on 15th May. Here is the margin requirement. As you can see, we bought 400 quantities at 187.5 on 14th May and we sold at 250. Here is the position summary of 26,500 call and we sold at 250 on 15th May, which hit our target as predicted, and the Bank Nifty spiked, so we collected the profit of 25,000 rupees. So it was equal to 33.33% on the buying side. With a capital of 75,000, we made 25,000 in profit, which is 33% of the trading capital. So here is the weekly hedging summary which we profited for the week of 17th May. The total earnings for this week on the selling and the buying side is close to 36,616 rupees. The capital engaged is equal to close to 5 lakhs, where we made 36,616 rupees, which is a pretty decent money for weekly hedging strategy. So, do you want to learn how to hedge the weekly Bank Nifty hedging strategies? So, we will be discussing the trading levels based on the OI and also the technical analysis on our website at Trade Analytics page, where you will get to know where is the major resistance and support level for the Bank Nifty and also the trading direction of the Bank Nifty for the week, so that we can collect the entire premium or generate consistent profits by hedging the weekly Bank Nifty options. So to learn more about the hedging strategies, become a member at Trade Psychology, where you get access to the e-courses on technical and psychology of trading, and also you will get the weekly trade reviews on how we trade the weekly hedging strategies for consistent profits. So register now at tradepsychology.com to get enrolled for our options trading strategies course.